guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Krista, and that's Kevin, aka Thumbs. And if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we cook, we make cocktails, we craft, we vlog, we do it all. And today we're doing something a little special. If you follow me on Instagram, you happen to see our New Year's Eve charcuterie board. I told you that that was something that we were doing just for us that night, but I promised you an episode shortly. This is it. But to make it even more special, we have made our own charcuterie boards. Insert sexies here. I wanted to show you how we curate our own charcuterie board. First, you have to get yourself a sexy ass board. Available on Etsy soon. I am currently sourcing more of this similar wood because it was so well received, and I wanted to make sure that I had more available in different sizes. This one I happen to love so much, I might keep this one. We're certainly going to eat off of it tonight, so if I do decide to put it on Etsy, you know it's been tested out. So first, you have to know what you're going to have, okay? Charcuterie boards typically have meat, cheese, fruit, veg, things that are more finger foody to have with your wine or whatever cocktail you're pairing it with. Tonight's cocktail of choice is agua. Iced. If I had lemon, I'd put a twist in it and be real fancy, but I'm not. We have some hard meats, we have some cheeses, we have some fruits, vegetables, dips, and whatnot. I'm going to show you how we build ours. That's how I build a charcuterie board. This is great for an appetizer for a party, or as we're gonna do, dinner. It's a dinner board for two. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We'd really enjoy having you as part of the family. While you're there, click the little bell saying you want to be notified every time we do one of these. And that's it. Let's cut. That's a wrap so we can eat. Bye. Love you. See you next time.